Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how you can easily download the Fortnite game on your PC step by step. So guys, once you successfully log into your account, you simply head over to your Fortnite section over here and you can simply download the Epic Games launcher first, installer first, and you can simply search in. Once you head over to this official website here, you need to once you get inside, you need to click on gate option here, as you can see. Once you do that, you have to wait for some time. As you can see, the price is $0. I'll just simply place the order over here. Once I do that, you need to again wait for some time. Yeah, to install your product, you need to download the launcher. As you can see, I have already downloaded the launcher, so I'll just install the launcher from here. Once I do that, I'll simply click on the installer to install the launcher. You have to wait for some time. So once you download it, you might get this tab here, and you might wanna update the. So just update it. So just update it and wait for some time. So once you successfully install the Epic Games Launcher, you will be redirected to sign in the Epic Games Launcher once again, and you will be redirected here. And after that, you can simply close this window and head over to this account, and I will sign in once again, simply like this. And after that, you have to wait for some time. In your Gmail, you just have to type it as I'm typing here, just like this, and click on continue. You might wanna set up a two-way factor authentication method. I will simply click on the email method, and once everything's done, you can simply click on continue and wait for it to load successfully. As you can see, it has been loaded successfully. Simply click on this, accept, and simply click on install. See, my Epic Games launcher is now installing the official Fortnite application, and just make sure you have more than 38 GB of storage available. As you can see, my storage is not available completely, so you might wanna do that on your part. So that is it, guys. That is exactly how you can successfully download the Fortnite application on your PC or laptop, just like this. And make sure you have enough storage to download it, otherwise you might get the error which I just got here.